When it comes to replacing the windows in your Farmington Hills home, the decision is about more than just style and energy efficiency. One of the most overlooked factors that can make or break your project is choosing a contractor with true local expertise. While big box or national chains may seem appealing at first, working with professionals who understand the Farmington Hills area offers unique advantages that directly impact your home's comfort, value, and long-term performance. Understanding Michigan's climate. Farmington Hills homeowners know how demanding Michigan's weather can be. From icy winters with heavy snowfall to humid summers with blazing heat, your windows are on the front lines of every season. A local window replacement expert has first-hand knowledge of these conditions. They'll recommend window materials and designs, such as double-pane insulated glass, low-E coatings, or composite frames, that stand up to Michigan's temperature swings. More importantly, they'll know how to install them properly to prevent drafts, leaks, and heat loss, keeping your home energy efficient year-round. Familiarity with Farmington Hills homes. No two neighborhoods in Farmington Hills are exactly alike. Some homes feature charming mid-century styles, while others reflect newer suburban builds. Local window specialists are familiar with the architecture and construction quirks of these homes. Whether it's fitting new windows into an older brick facade or ensuring modern replacements blend seamlessly with WA requirements, local contractors understand the details that keep your home looking beautiful while meeting community standards. This experience saves you from costly mistakes and ensures a polished finish. Quick response and personalized service. Hiring a local window replacement company means faster response times and more personalized service. Instead of dealing with a national call center, you'll be working with professionals who are part of your community. If an issue arises, whether it's a warranty claim or a need for adjustments, local experts are nearby and can resolve problems quickly. Their reputation is built on word of mouth within Farmington Hills, so you can trust that customer satisfaction is a priority. Knowledge of local building codes. Every city has its own regulations for construction and remodeling, and Farmington Hills is no exception. Window replacements often require permits, inspections, and compliance with local building codes. A local contractor is already familiar with these requirements, ensuring your project goes smoothly without delays or unexpected fines. They'll handle the paperwork and approvals so you can focus on enjoying your new windows instead of worrying about red tape. Supporting the local economy. Choosing local expertise doesn't just benefit your home, it benefits the entire Farmington Hills community. By hiring local professionals, you're investing in businesses that employ your neighbors, contribute to the local economy, and give back to the community. It's a decision that creates value beyond your front door. Tailored recommendations for your needs. National chains often rely on one-size-fits-all products, but local experts take the time to understand your unique needs. Whether your priority is lowering energy bills, boosting curb appeal, or increasing resale value, they'll guide you toward the best options for your home and lifestyle. Their recommendations are not just about selling windows, they're about helping Farmington Hills homeowners achieve the perfect balance of beauty, function, and efficiency. Conclusion. The local advantage. Replacing your windows is a major investment, and who you choose to do the work matters just as much as the windows themselves. Local expertise ensures that your windows are built to withstand Michigan's climate, installed to fit your home perfectly, and supported by professionals who truly care about your satisfaction. When it comes to window replacement in Farmington Hills, the smartest choice is clear. Trust local experts who understand your home, your community, and your needs.